97% of retail traders in India lose money. That's not a rumor, that's straight from SEBI's own 2023 report. But here's what they don't tell you. The 3% who win are pulling 10,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, sometimes 1 lakh rupees per day, from the same phone you're watching this on right now. Today, we expose exactly how they do it. Meet Arjun Mehta. In 2021, he was earning 18,000 rupees a month answering customer complaints at a Pune BPO. He had 47,000 rupees in savings, his entire life savings, and a burning question: could the stock market actually change his life? He opened a Zerodha account on a Tuesday night. By Friday, he had lost 11,200 rupees. But he didn't quit. Here's what Arjun didn't know, what almost nobody tells beginners. In India's F&O market, 1.6 lakh rupees crore worth of options contracts trade every single day. Every single day. That's more than the GDP of entire countries. This money is moving, and a tiny slice of it, captured correctly, is your 10,000 rupees. The machine is already running. You just need the key. Before the key came the crash. By March 2022, Arjun had lost 4.7 lakh rupees, including borrowed money from his cousin. He was trading on emotion, revenge trading after losses, going all in on tips from Telegram groups run by fake gurus, charging 15,000 rupees for courses. Sound familiar? This is where 90% of Indian traders quit and never return. Arjun almost did. The turning point was a single YouTube video, free, no course, no upsell, explaining options flow analysis. The concept is brutal in its simplicity. Stop predicting where the market goes, start following where the big money is already moving. Nifty 50 options data is public. FII positions are public. When institutions buy, you buy. When they exit, you're already gone. Then came the AI revolution, and Indian traders have a massive advantage right now. Tools like Sensible, Streak, and even ChatGPT-4 are helping ordinary people backtest strategies in minutes that used to take hedge funds weeks. Arjun now uses a 999 rupees per month Sensible subscription to scan 1,400 stocks in 11 seconds. His win rate jumped from 31% to 67% in 4 months. But let's talk about SEBI, because this is where most YouTube channels go silent. In 2023, SEBI restricted weekly options expiries to protect retail traders. Smart move or a trap? Here's the truth. The new rules actually filter out gamblers and reward disciplined traders. Arjun's daily target dropped from 15,000 rupee to 10,000 rupees, but his consistency went from 12 green days per month to 21. Less greed, more money. So what does a real 10,000 rupees per day routine actually look like? Arjun wakes at 8:45 a.m. Reviews overnight FII data for 12 minutes. Sets to trades maximum by 9:20 a.m. before the NSE bell. Hard stop loss of 3,500 rupees. Target hit? Phone goes face down. Done. By 11 a.m., most days, he's made his 10,000 rupees and is at a cafe in Kothurud. Total screen time, 94 minutes. Here's the final truth. 10,000 rupees a day is 2.2 lakh rupees per month, more than 96% of Indian salaries. It is real. It is achievable. But it demands one thing most people refuse to give: discipline over dopamine. Start with 50,000 rupee capital, one strategy, one index. Paper trade for 30 days first. The market will always be here. Your edge builds slowly, then suddenly. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every week.